I'm going to show you how to share access or give someone access to your Google Docs document in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I just created this test document, and let's say this is a project for a homework or something like that, or maybe for your job. All you need to do if you want to give someone access to edit or manage this file is go to the share button right here at the top right. You can click here or also here to copy a share link, but let's say I want to share it this way. Then I can add people or groups or even these two calendar events. So for example, I'm gonna put a test email. So if I want to share this document with someone, just type the email right here, and you can give a specific permission. So just as a viewer, this won't give this person any permission to edit or manage the file. Just a commenter that will basically just give permissions to comment something, but not inside the document. They will be able to type notes or editor that can modify whatever they want on this document. So then you can put a message right here, or you can also copy their share link. So just click on send, and they need to accept the invite to get access to this document. Then you will have a list with all the people with access to this document, and you also have the general access settings, which by default it's restricted, which means that only people with access can open with the link, but you can also set it as anyone with the link. So now anyone that has this link can view or access this document. Then lastly, you have those settings which you can enable or disable. By default, editors can change permissions and share, but you can disable this option, and you can also enable or disable the option to allow viewers and commenters to see the option to download, print, or copy the documents. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.